In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your registered email on Binance using the desktop website. Whether you're new to Binance or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to help you smoothly access and verify your account email. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Binance.com. This is their main site and the starting point for accessing all your account details. Make sure you're visiting the official website to avoid any security issues. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. You'll need your credentials handy, and it's always a good idea to make sure you're on a secure network to keep your information safe. After you're logged in, it's time to move on to your account settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice your profile icon there. Now, hover over this icon. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you into the main area where you can manage various settings related to your Binance profile. Next, we'll focus on navigating to the security settings. On the left side of your screen, you should see a panel with several options. You're going to click on Security here. This section is crucial as it contains all important security features that protect your account, including the details we'll need to view your registered email. Now that you're in the security settings, you should see various security-related options displayed. What we're interested in today is the email section. Look for that, and underneath this section, you'll find the email address associated with your Binance account. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, this is the only email address currently linked to your account, so if you need to update or change this information, you would initiate it from this very section. And there you have it. You've successfully checked the registered email address on your Binance account. It's an easy process once you know where to go. Always remember that keeping your login and security information up to date is critical. This helps maintain the security and integrity of your account. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay secure and happy managing your investments.